Now, I don't know if this is the one, but I was told a 3-engine train here. Yeah, that is 56, 51. That is 56, 26, 24, and 56, 23. Guy sitting in the second engine. That was weird. Don't see that usually happening. It's kind of funny why he's going slow. Got a green light. I think I got the other 2 engines a couple days ago, back on Friday. That 26, 24, and that 56, 23. Now these 2 engines are leaving town. everybody. I hope all of you enjoyed this train video here. And if you did, can you go thumbs up on it? Hit that thumbs up button. Can you do that for me? I would love that if you could do that for me. It would make me happy. It will bring other train people here to my channel. Also, if you're new and you came along this train video, can you hit that red subscribe button down below? And subscribe to my channel and check out my other train videos I got. I got plenty, so feel free to check them out. Also, hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload a train video, you'll be notified about it. Also, leave comments. What was your take about this train video? But until my next train video, they call me Mr. Canada National. And this train video's over. Have a good one and take care. And thanks for watching.